I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Betty Crocker sugar cookies. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. 1 box of Betty Crocker sugar cookie mix, 1 stick of softened butter, 1 large egg, and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius and prepare a baking sheet with parchment paper for easy cleanup. This ensures a smooth start to your baking adventure. Now let's get mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the Betty Crocker sugar cookie mix, your softened stick of butter, the 1 egg, and the 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Stir these ingredients together with a spoon until a soft, cohesive dough forms. It's important not to overmix, as this can lead to tougher cookies. We want them perfectly tender and delicious, so mix just until combined. Next, it's time to shape and bake. Roll the dough into 1-inch balls. You should get about 2 dozen cookies from one mix. Place these dough balls about 2 inches apart on your prepared baking sheet. Bake them in your preheated oven for 6 to 8 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Once baked, let them cool on the baking sheet for 2 minutes before moving them to a wire rack to cool completely. Finally, the fun part: decorating and enjoying your delicious creations. Once your cookies have completely cooled on the wire rack, you can unleash your creativity. Frost them with your favorite icing, add colorful sprinkles, or even some edible glitter. These cookies are perfect for any occasion. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. Enjoy your perfectly baked Betty Crocker sugar cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.